Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Bogdan and I am an ALOHA Mental Arithmetic Trainer. And today I'm going to go through the ALOHA Mental Arithmetic workshops. Before we go forward, let me share with you a little bit about ALOHA. ALOHA, it's a mental arithmetic program that's using this ancient tool called the abacus. Now, the beauty of it is that through this tool, we help children to develop their neurological network, to develop their brain. The way it works is we teach basics at the beginning, like in the workshops, we teach the basics of ALOHA. We teach them how to use the abacus and what every column means and so on, and how to use it and how to move the beads. But in a normal class, what happens is by using this tool, the brain gets used to the beads, gets used to the use of the abacus, and then when we remove the abacus, and that's an action that happens slowly, we force the brain to visualize the beads. Basically, we force the photographic memory skill of the brain to get active, and you'll see the children like going. Why? Because they can see with their eyes, they can visualize the beads of the abacus. Now, this method helps to develop not only the photographic memory, but the spatial orientation, attention to detail, listening skills. Like it comes with a pack of benefits guaranteed. Now, when we speak about the workshops are going to give your child just taste of what an ALOHA class is. The classes are interactive, the workshops are interactive. It doesn't matter if it is a physical or if it is an online class. The outcome is the same, the benefits are the same. Actually, from my perspective, the online classes are going very, very well, and we've tested it before. For example, if you are still wondering if the online classes are going to work or not for your child, remember this. David, he started ALOHA at 5 years of age. At 6, he went with us, but he was part of the Irish delegation that went to Madrid for the international competition last year, and he became a world ALOHA champion. He completed 70 calculations in 1 minute and 20 seconds. And if you tell me that's not an achievement, then what is? So the method works. We guarantee the benefits, and the way to start, if you are not sure which way to go, is to join one of the workshops. Currently, we do 2 workshops every month. We are going to run an online workshop, and we are going to run, that's going to be during the week. For more details, please check the website workshop section. And we are going to also organize once a month on a Sunday, a workshop in Dublin City University. So I'll be there. I'll be there every Sunday, but the workshops are going to happen only once a month. So please check our website. If you have any other queries, or if you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to contact us, and I will be more than happy to answer to any of your questions. See you or your child very soon. Thank you.